If you want to know how to turn your cast iron or carbon steel pan from looking like this to looking like this and make it nearly as non-stick as a Teflon coated pan, this video is for you. Hey, what is up guys, I'm Nico and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly season carbon steel or cast iron pans. The process is the same and it's actually really easy, so let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to season an already used but freshly cleaned débouillé carbon steel pan and a poorly pre-seasoned carbon steel wok. The first thing you need to do is to clean your pan thoroughly. As I said, mine was already used before, but I tried to clean it as well as I could. If your pan is brand new, it will most likely have some sort of coating on it that you have to scrub down with a sponge or steel wool under hot water with some dish soap. Now rinse the pan under some fresh water and then you can immediately begin to dry it really well. The pan really has to be completely dry before we can apply the oil later on. To achieve that, I would recommend to place your pan on the stovetop or throw it in the oven for a couple of minutes so all the remaining water can evaporate. And if you haven't already, now would be a good time to preheat your oven to the maximum temperature. If you want to season multiple pans at once, make sure to enable the fan in the oven as well, to get an even heat distribution. You can use all different sorts of vegetable oil, but my web research has shown that using flaxseed oil gives you the best results. Just make sure it's pure and not diluted with any other oils. Now once your pan is fully dry, drizzle about 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil in your pan and start to wipe your entire pan using a paper towel. Really try to get the oil everywhere, also the underside and the handle if it's made of steel too. The handle on my pan is coated with a protective layer and the pan should normally not go into the oven for extended periods of time. Although not advised by the manufacturer, I tried it out nonetheless and it worked perfectly. Now once everything is fully coated in oil, take a fresh piece of paper towel and wipe everything off completely until there are no spots of oil visible. You only want an extremely thin layer of oil, so really wipe it all down. Trust me, I've made that mistake of using too much oil before and it was painful. Next, place your pan on a rack in the oven, preferably upside down if possible, and set a timer for 1 hour. Once the time is up, let the pan cool down completely. And now the first layer of our seasoning is done. Now let's repeat this process to get an even better non-stick coating. If you want an even better seasoning, you should definitely repeat this process 1 more time at least, but you can really just repeat this as often as you like to improve the non-stick coating even more. This time I seasoned both pans twice. A good seasoning prevents the pan from rusting and provides a near non-stick surface. This coating will get a lot better over time just by using this pan a lot. But even after 2 rounds in the oven, this pan passed the egg test. While you enjoy watching this egg swirl around in the pan, I also have some quick maintenance tips for you guys. Always treat your steel pan well. At first it's best to stick to wood or silicone tools so the patina can develop further as you cook with it more often. Also, I would completely stay away from cooking acidic foods in this pan, because this will certainly damage the coating. To clean your pan after cooking, it's most of the time enough to rinse it under hot water and wipe it out with the soft side of a sponge or with a dishcloth. But if some bits are stuck to the bottom of the pan like here, it's best to add some warm water to the hot pan and remove these bits with your cooking utensils. After that, just remove the water and dry your pan thoroughly, either with more paper towels or on the stovetop. Now your pan should be clean again. Before storing your pan, make sure to give it a quick wipe with any neutral cooking oil. If you follow these tips and take good care of your pans, I'm sure they won't fail you. This about wraps it up for this one, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cooking related videos. Thanks so much for watching, bye bye.